In particular, the restrictions on the international media, journalists, and human rights groups are utterly unacceptable. Freedom of expression and assembly are basic human rights.
Well, Hosni Mubarak has received a message of support from the Italian Prime Minister. Silvio Berlusconi described the Egyptian president as wise.
I have faith, and I think all the Westerners think the same thing, that there can be in Egypt a transition towards a more democratic system without any breaks with a president like Mubarak, which the entire Western world, with the United States at the front, has always considered to be the wisest of men and a reference point for the whole Middle East.
Let's move to Munich, where world leaders are gathering for the 47th Security Conference. They'll discuss global policy, including what's becoming known by some as Egypt's Berlin Wall moment. Tim Friend has more.
Well, events in Egypt, of course, reverberating across Europe. At the Munich Security Conference, normally a relatively sedate affair for world leaders, there's now a renewed sense of urgency. Egypt, of course, top of the agenda. The US Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton, arrives late Friday, and on Saturday she will take part in a quartet meeting of Middle East negotiators. That meeting, of course, which had been previously planned here on the sidelines, takes on added importance because what's happening in Egypt will impinge on those stalled